Nagma, the Ugandan national, she's made a statement under section 164 of the CRPC, and I want to read out a part of that statement to you. A legal statement under section 164 of the CRPC, it is admissible as evidence in a court of law. She says, we were attacked on Wednesday night by a mob led by Somnath Bharti. We were harassed, we were beaten. And these women say they can positively identify the Honorable Law Minister of Delhi. After this, after a statement recorded in front of a magistrate, should the minister still remain? What is Arvind Kejriwal trying to show when he does not sack such a minister, ma'am?
Seeking justice, you have to see that the means of attaining it is more important, if not more important, than the end result. I just feel that, whatever he did caused an iota of doubt, and that iota of doubt is leading into a controversial, story, and which should be avoided at all cost, where the woman itself is becoming a victim of fighting against atrocities for women. So I think that this whole thing is not handled by the law minister himself in a, not in a proper way. And I think that so blatantly what he is trying to do, trying to get vigilante justice, is not something which could be seen in the proper light by anyone. I mean, fighting for the cause of women is a good thing.
Yes.
But it depends on how you go about it. So as I told you even earlier, that it could be anyone,
and
it could be any minister.
Does this not compound the error or compound the crime of the minister? He is a practicing advocate. He knows the law. And despite that, he does this. He is the law minister of Delhi. Doesn't this clearly show that he has scant regard for the law of the land?